This is how to use the Posterize filter in PIXLR E to create a shepherd fairy style image of a person. So first you'll need to open up PIXLR E, not PIXLR X. So please notice exactly where I am. And then you will need to open your image. So you should have downloaded an image of the person you are using for this project. I'm going to click on that in my file menu and choose open. Then what is very important is that you begin by working with a square. So what we are going to do is click the crop tool on the left hand side, and notice at the top we have a height and a width value for the image. We want those numbers to be the same so that the image is a square. So my smaller number, 505, I'm going to crop the other value to also be 505. It's not a big difference. Notice it takes off a tiny bit at the bottom. And then I'm going to just go ahead and choose enter because I am happy with that crop. I could have slid that around to choose which part got cropped out, but I didn't really need to. Once I have this cropped to a square, what I would like you to do is also convert it to a black and white image. This will help you see the values when you are going to do the posterization. So in your adjustment menu at the top, choose auto black and white. And there it is, it's done. If something was wrong with this, if there was too many shadows, you could adjust the brightness and contrast, and that would help make it easier to see some of those areas. But that is a correction, whereas in the auto black and white filter will do most of the work for you. Then to posterize, you're going to your adjustments menu again, and you're going to choose posterize. Right now it does nothing, but if we tell it we want to have one color, black and white, notice what happens. That doesn't look great. Here is 2, 3, 4, 5 is the maximum that I would like you to have, because that means you have white plus 5 shades of gray, and that begins to get very confusing. So when I look at this image, I want to find the simplest version that still looks good. And actually 2 is not terrible, but I also like 4. I think it has some good detail and it looks great. Knowing that I need a number of levels between 3 and 5, I'm going to choose 4 and I will choose apply. Now that I have a square image in black and white with 3 to 5 levels of posterization, I'm actually done. So I'm going to go ahead and choose File Save so that I can save this as a JPEG, download it, and then I will be able to submit it on Schoology to get it turned in.